I put my liver on the line to bring you the ins and outs of Royal Caribbean's Deluxe Beverage package, as well as bring you my favorite drinks from my latest cruise adventure. What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Ryan here with More Blade Travels, and I'm going to be showcasing Royal Caribbean's Deluxe Beverage package. We're diving into cost breakdown, what's included, as well as bringing you some of my favorite cocktails to have while on board. As a matter of fact, let's start with this. All right, we are starting this one off right. Got a zombie. Oh, they make it strong. Little sweet treat. I don't think I've ever seen anybody order this out in public, like at a bar or a pub or anything. Delicious drink. Absolutely strong. Look at my list out of exotic drinks to order. Let's go with something fancy. We're gonna go with a dark and stormy. These drinks kicking in heavy. These drinks kicking in heavy. Oh, that voice got weird just then. I'm Batman. Thank you, sir. Dark and stormy in hand. Can't play none of this music. Over here is belly flop time. And intermission in the drinking to go see the belly flop contest. Imagine a cruise where your cup runneth over with both alcoholic and non-alcoholic treasures. The Deluxe Beverage package is your golden ticket to unlimited drinks, transforming your journey into a beverage bonanza. Also included with this are fountain drinks, premium coffees and teas, fresh squeezed juice, as well as wine by the glass. We just got it for the alcohol. But don't just take my word for it. Let's explore the liquid paradise together. We are back, a little bit of a break. Had to go get that nap in. Those drinks were strong earlier. We're back out here, kicking it back up with a Blue Hawaiian. If you want something tropical, this is the one to go for. With the drink package, you not only have to do mixed drinks, beers, cocktails, things like that, you do shots. Salute.
Now you remain seated for the fourth part. Now we put the balloon.
I don't know what that was.
Delicious shot of Patron and Silver.
What?
Always burns the chest, makes the nipples hard. Now that our taste buds are tingling, let's set sail into the financial waters. Priced at $74.99 a night for a 5-night cruise. I know, sounds like a lot. The Deluxe Beverage package will set you back about $375 USD. With each drink valued at about $14-15 a piece, you'll need to drink 5 drinks a day to make the most of this liquid luxury. Now, you're probably asking yourself, is this worth it? If you're a connoisseur of flavors, eager to explore the drink menu and revel in exotic concoctions, then the answer is a resounding absolutely. From fruity mojitos to refreshing sea breezes, Royal Caribbean's drink package gives you a little bit of everything. Whether you're a fan of frozen concoctions or sophisticated martinis, there's a little bit of something for everybody on this ship. Now, we're at one of the ship's onboard lounges, and I have my eye on something special, something I haven't had in a long time. We're going for a Washington apple shot. It's like a tropical escape in the glass, and with the drink package, you don't have to worry about a bill coming at the end of the trip.
They were whining on you. You were out there too? Yeah, I was here.
Oh, that was delicious.
This time around, we're going to classic daiquiri. Not super sweet, pretty delicious, strong, good stuff. Still sipping on this. What am I drinking?
Daiquiri.
Oh, still sipping on this daiquiri. Making our way to one of these other locations, one of these other bars. There's so many bars, and the plan is to hit every one of them and bring you a drink from the different ones. Let's make the next bar we head to somewhere a little bit more remote. And we are in Labadee Haiti for the day. If you didn't know, Labadee and Coco Cay are Royal Caribbean owned, so your beverage package will work when you're out here. You don't have to worry about paying for drinks if you have the Deluxe package. That's right, your beverage package will work when you're in the private cruise port of Labadee, as well as Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Oh.
That's more juicy than lard.
But it's going to be stronger for longer.
Yes, sir.
Drink it. Ready one, booze one. Sit down. Island drinks.
If you're in Labadee, you gotta try the Labadoozy. It's the drink of the island. Only place you can get it. Absolutely delicious. God, this is strong. Remember, this is the ultimate drink package. Will let you enjoy this without having to worry about money at the end of the trip. Everything is included. Dark rum mojitos, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely delicious. You have to be able to switch up your usual drinks on him. If you're taking advantage of the Royal Caribbean drink packet, go for the unknown. Go for stuff outside of your comfort level. Be curious. If it was a drink you were thinking about, this way you can drink it. If you don't like it, order something else. And it doesn't charge you. It doesn't cost a thing. How's that go, Big Smash?
It's delicious.
As we navigate the sea of choices, here's a pro tip. Plan your days strategically. From morning coffees to afternoon mocktails and evening cocktails. Make the most of this beverage buffet. If you've made your reservation beforehand, be sure to keep an eye out for deals and discounts. Prices will fluctuate. If you do see a price change between your booking date and your set sail date, Royal Caribbean will let you rebook that beverage package at the new price. So it could save you a few bucks in the long run. But if you wait last minute to book, that price is gonna be high. Now before we get out of here are some more delicious drinks. We swapped it up this time around and we're going for a rum old fashioned. We're on the Papa Jock. Papa Jack? J-A-C, Jock or Jack? Tell me in the comments below. I just ordered a tropical Mai Tai. Alright, we're switching this one up and doing something a little different. Starting this one out with a gin fizz. We're going with a black Russian. Like your boy. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not Russian. I forgot to get a straw to mix all this up, so I'm literally just shaking straight around. Stroke the city now. Whiskey ginger. Makers and ginger ale. Super simple. It's hard to beat a whiskey ginger. With a Gentleman Jack and Sprite. Alright guys, your boy is faded. And we're gonna end this one on a strong note for this evening. This will probably never make any of the video whatsoever. But peanut butter tropic, screwball whiskey, and some fruity stuff in the end of it. I'll throw it up right here somewhere. And there you have it, seasoned sailors. Our taste buds have sailed through a plethora of delightful drinks, showcasing the richness of the Deluxe Beverage package. If you've embarked on this liquid adventure or have questions, share your thoughts below. And until our next Odyssey, we'll catch you in the next one. Drink extravaganza, libation fiesta, liquid adventure, cocktail carnival, thirst quenching odyssey, drinks galore, libation delight, sip safari, quenching quest,